Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the FINALS Error Code TFLA0001. The error reads, "Connection failed. Your login attempt failed. Please try again." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to join the game. Some users have shared that they can play for a few minutes, but then they get disconnected and receive this error. According to our research, the error is most likely related to server-side issues or temporary interruptions. We found several reports on the FINALS official Discord server where players were facing the same problem. This indicates that the issue may not be on your end, but rather a problem with the game servers. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet. Once done, check if you need to update the FINALS and install any pending updates. If the error persists, check if your gaming device's operating system needs an update. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try running the FINALS with administrative privileges. To do this, right-click on the game and select Run as administrator, then check if the issue is resolved. If running the game as an administrator doesn't help, try connecting to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi, and see if this helps with the error. At last, if none of the above steps work, then the error is most likely coming from the servers. So we suggest you wait for some time and try again later. Meanwhile, you can visit the FINALS official Discord server to check for any server-related updates. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.